Alright, I wanted to make a quick video on dividing radicals. So my last video was on multiplying radicals, so I want to talk about dividing. So imagine for a second you had the square root of 10 divided by the square root of 2. So anytime you're dividing radicals, kind of the same thing with multiplying radicals, is we're just going to divide the numbers that are actually underneath the radicals. So if I did 10 divided by 2, I would get 5. So the square root of 10 divided by the square root of 2 is the square root of 5. Another way to look at this is, instead of writing it as two separate square roots, I'm going to write it as the square root of 10 over 2, which of course will give you the square root of 5. So there's an actual rule that says if you have two radicals divided by each other, you can put both of those numbers underneath the same square root. And that's kind of what I did here. So another example would be, let's think, square root of 45 divided by the square root of 5. Now I could simplify the square root of 45, but I'm not here because it'll be easier just to divide. So again, this is the same thing as the square root of 45 divided by 5. And the square root of 45 divided by 5 is 9. Well, what's the square root of 9? 3. So your final answer in this case would be 3. So basically, when I'm dividing, I can put it underneath one radical and simplify from there. So hopefully this helps. If you have any more questions, please let me know.